Guys, today we are here at an old freight elevator. We're going to take this thing on a ride. I believe this is an old Otis. So the buttons are C.J. Anderson with the lever switches. So, start by going down to B. And then we'll go all the way up to the top. So here we go. We are up at 8. It's actually a scenic freight elevator. Let's go back down. And we'll end back up at the ground level. So this was pretty neat. Though it is the Midwestern summer, and that gate is really low. Wow, I just bashed my head on that, but it's a Midwestern summer. This is an outdoor elevator, so I'm hot and sweaty now after that, but that was still a neat old freight elevator, so that's it. Also gonna do this so tall people don't hit their head.